This generator is equipped with handles and wheels for easy operation and transportation. Pull out the locking pin to lower the handle. Step on the wheel lock to secure the tires and prevent movement during operation. Unscrew the fuel tank cap and add an appropriate amount of gasoline as needed. Gasoline type: regular unleaded gasoline. Turn the knob counterclockwise to open the right side cover. Unscrew the oil dipstick to add 1.2 L 4-stroke engine oil. Oil selection: 10W30. Then turn the knob counterclockwise to open the left side cover. Connect the battery cables as shown in the video. If unused for a long period, disconnect the battery cables to prevent discharge. After connection, reinstall the cover. Turn the engine on-off switch to the on position. Turn the fuel valve to the on position. Press and hold the start switch to start the machine. The pull cord for recoil start is located inside the right side cover of the machine, as shown in the video. First, pull gently to resistance, then pull forcefully to start. This two-step process prevents kickback from sudden full pulls. Press and hold the start switch on the remote controller to start the machine. To stop the machine, directly turn the engine on-off switch to the OFF position. Alternatively, press the stop button on the remote controller. Or, press and hold the stop button on the machine to stop it. Both methods require turning the engine on-off switch to OFF to completely stop the machine. Finally, turn the fuel valve to the OFF position. Turn the circuit breaker to the on position. Connect the outlet board to the generator. The power ratings of each machine are as shown in the video.